Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are celebrating Eid Adha in UK. Today is 6th of June 2025. We are going to offer prayers. I will also show you how we pray here in UK. Today is a lovely sunny day. Was بس طولوا काफी दर्ज है बस काफी पे रखते हैं
I can't see
I
the
also
sun.
cannot see.
الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا Then, so every takbirat, raise hands and tie your hands on your belly, inshallah. So we'll start. الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله الوجه الأنور والجبين الأزهر أنصح من دعا إلى الله وبشر وأنذر وأفضل من صلى وزكى وصام وحج واعتمر. قال الله تعالى: يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته.
Yes, we have finished our prayers. Guys, these were our Eid prayers in Wirral. Now we are heading home. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can see future notifications. Thank you for watching. Yes, yes. अपनी वीडियो को फौरन बंद नहीं कर दिया करो।